what is a video idea that's good enough to upload to my channel? That's the thing, though.
Screaming.
Just, like, straight screaming. Like,
Yeah, just start yelling.
well, like, that's only gonna last for so long, right? Like, this is minimal entertainment. And, like, there's a sizable amount of time left on this fucking Arma shit. So, like,
See how long you can scream
how
for.
long I can scream. Okay, now I gotta do a wacky intro. Hey guys, Butterbob here, back for an epic video. Today I'm gonna be screaming, yeah!
Rob,
Maybe
you
I
want to
should
listen
go
to
more upbeat.
this new album?
The new album. Yeah, no, wait, no, here, I gotta end the video first.
Okay.
Hey guys, thanks, for listening to this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.